Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, kids. Okay, from today's video, Teacher Fia will summary again what we already discussed today in our Zoom meeting, first session of our meeting. So this paper and all of the pages that already discussed today, you must submit in the assignment. So that's why I'm giving you the answer. I wanna see if you work on it or not. So kids, right now, I will summary the first pages that we have discussing before. It's about summary activity and practice activity in the page of 145 until 146. Okay, let's continue. Okay, this is about sources, uses, and benefits of energy. And then number 1, there are many energy on Earth like heat and light, energy of the sun, wind and coal and petrol. So the answer will be sources. Okay, number 2, energy include electricity for powering our cars, TVs and computers. So the answer will be uses. Number 3, energy sources like coal, oil, and cannot be replaced once they are used up. Okay, this is the answer is gas. Number 4, energy resources like sunlight and wind cannot be used up. So the answer will be water. Okay, now let's move to generating electricity. Number 5, power generates electricity. The answer will be plants. So the power plant is actually generate electricity. Okay, number 6, power carry the electricity from the power plants to our homes. Of course, you know the answer. This is the power lines. Okay, number 7, continue. We get electricity by plugging in electrical appliances into wall sockets. Of course, the answer will be yes, it's main. And number 8, burning fossil fuels as a source of energy the environment. Okay, the answer is right. Is clearly is pollutes. Okay, number 9. It's better to use energy sources like wind energy. Okay, number 9 is clean. We better use clean energy. Number 10. We can also use energy from the sun and energy from falling water. Okay, and the answer will be solar. Okay, we use solar energy from the sun as well. Okay, next is about energy changes. Number 11. Energy can be from one form to another. Okay, the answer will be transform. Number 12. A radio changes electrical energy to, of course, we can hear the sound from radio, so it will be the sound. And the last will be saving energy is number 13. We must electricity and not waste it. So we do not run out of energy sources. Of course, the last will be conserve. Okay, kids, that's all to summary activity. Now we are moving to the practice activity. Okay, kids, right now we move to practice activity page 146. Okay, now on to the question. Number A, circle the letter of the correct answer. Number 1, energy makes our better. Okay, of course, the answer will be number 1 is A, life. Number 2, Kilojoules measure energy in, of course, the answer will be B, food. And number 3, the sun, food, and wind are all sources of course, the answer will be yes, is energy, A. Okay, now let's see for the section B. Identify uses of electrical energy. Tick the things that power by electric energy. Okay, you can see this one is donuts. Do you need electricity for a donut? No. Okay, you can cross it. How about the light? Of course, you take it. How about the kite? You don't use any electricity. And how about the smartphone? Of course, we use it to charge the smartphone. How about the air conditioner? It's clearly it uses electricity. How about the pan when you want to fry the egg? Of course, we didn't use electricity. And how about this one? Yes, we use it. Okay, that's all for practice activity. Now we can move to the workbook. Okay, Teacher Fia will discuss it to you instead because we only have one day next week before our holiday, so that's why you must have watched this video and you have to send everything that already answered by Teacher Fia and we already discussed it before in Zoom meeting to our assignment for today. So what you have to do is only copy and then write in your book. You don't have to write it. Your assignment today is only the quiz. Okay, kids? Now let's continue to discussing page 69 in our workbook. Okay, now on to the question for the page 69 of our science workbook. Okay, the question will be circle the letter of the correct answer. Okay, as for number 1, we will read it from now. We will change the color first. Okay, number 1, when an object is made into another object, we are it. Okay, what do you think? Is recycling, reusing, or reducing? Of course, we already talked what the difference between recycling, reusing, and reducing. But because it's made into another object, is of course, the answer will be right. Number 1 is recycling. Okay, number 2, to conserve electricity means to, you already know, is D, not waste it. Number 3, means not to buy unnecessary things. The answer will be yes, A, reduce. Okay, which one that we not discussed about it in this question? Of course, this is reuse. Okay, reuse, you already know what the meaning of the reuse, right? It's actually instead of throwing out the object, we still using to another benefit. Okay, now let's continue for section B, complete the sentences. This is a section A, I will write it over here. And this is for section B. I will change the color. Okay, let's see for section B. Use these words. Complete the sentences about the picture. Okay, you can see number A. Only plug electrical appliances into and never stick your fingers in it. We have to plug it into what? Of course, the answer will be right. It's wall socket. Okay, number 2. Make sure the electrical cables do not come into contact with a split. Oh, I'm so sorry. What did the answer? The question, I mean. Yes, a spill, not split. A spill of water. What will happen when electrical cable is actually come into contact with a spill of water? Of course, it will be, yes, it will be burning. It will be firing, everyone. So make sure you have to get yourself safe as I am. Stay away from the water and electrical things. Okay, how about number 3? Never electrical cables. Of course, we shouldn't have cut the cables. Okay, what about number 4? Do not plug in electrical appliances yourself. Yes, you have to ask your parents and adult to help you, because there's some parents, of course, the answer will be adult. Okay, kids, that is a video from discussing workbook assessment and also discussing the student book summary and practice activity. And right now I will move to new lesson with new video. I will not make it long because it will make you really bored to watching this video. So make sure everything that we already discussed in it, you have to write it in your book and you capture it and give it the assignment in Google Classroom later. Okay, kids? Now you already know what page you have to work it. It's page 145, 146, and workbook page 69. Okay, kids, bye. See you to the second video for today.